grace and mercy. And I'm a fool to say forever, but to acknowledge any notion we'd stay under this old roof so weathered. So I'll sing your praise and keep my promise, but your pathway I can't follow. And some days that makes me smile, some days I choke on words that I can't swallow. Now the lives of lesser men have succumbed to this great struggle. I'm no greater, that's what I'm for. The fire in your hands and you can't fight no ghost.